Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring a new city completely solo using only these 10 epic travel tips. Solo travel. It's a thrilling yet daunting experience, isn't it? The thought of venturing out into the unknown, relying solely on yourself, and immersing yourself in new cultures can be both exhilarating and intimidating. As someone who's done their fair share of solo traveling, I can attest that it's an incredible way to discover new places, challenge yourself, and grow as a person. But I also know that it can be a bit scary, especially if it's your first time. One of the biggest fears people have when it comes to solo travel is safety. Will I be safe in this new place? What if something happens to me? What if I get lost or robbed? These are all valid concerns, and they're definitely worth considering. Another common fear is loneliness. Traveling alone can be isolating, and it's natural to wonder if you'll meet anyone or have any fun. And then there are the logistical challenges: navigating new environments, communicating in foreign languages, and figuring out transportation. When you're traveling alone, it's easy to get caught up in your own worries and fears. But the thing is, solo travel doesn't have to be a frightening experience. With the right mindset, preparation, and strategies, you can have a safe and enjoyable solo travel experience. That's what I want to share with you today. 10 epic solo travel tips that will help you explore alone safely. My first tip is to plan. Research your destination, book your accommodations in advance, and have a rough itinerary in mind. This will help you feel more confident and in control. Another tip is to stay connected with family and friends back home. Let them know your itinerary and stay in touch regularly. This will help alleviate any fears or worries they may have, and it'll also give you peace of mind knowing that someone knows where you are. My third tip is to trust your instincts. If a situation feels off or you don't feel comfortable, trust your gut and get out of there. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out authorities if you need assistance. And always prioritize your safety over any itinerary or schedule. My fourth tip is to take care of your physical and mental health. Make sure you're getting enough rest, eating well, and taking breaks when you need them. One of my favorite tips is to connect with other travelers. Whether it's through social media, hostels, or group tours, meeting other travelers can make a huge difference in your solo travel experience. You can share tips, advice, and experiences, and you might even make some new friends along the way. Another tip is to be mindful of your belongings and keep your valuables secure. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to get complacent when you're in a new place. Let me tell you a story. When I was traveling alone in Japan, I found myself in a situation where I felt really vulnerable. I was walking back to my hostel at night and I got lost in a neighborhood that was unfamiliar to me. I was scared and I didn't know what to do. But then I remembered one of my own tips: to trust my instincts and seek out help when I need it. I stopped someone on the street, explained my situation, and they helped me get back to my hostel safely. It was a powerful reminder that even in uncertain situations, there are always people and resources available to help us. That experience really drove home the importance of preparation and awareness when it comes to solo travel. By being prepared, staying informed, and trusting my instincts, I was able to navigate a potentially dangerous situation and come out the other side feeling stronger and more confident. That's what I want to encourage you to do today, to take control of your solo travel experience and make it your own. To recap, these 10 epic solo travel tips are all about prioritizing your safety, being prepared, and staying aware of your surroundings. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a safe and enjoyable solo travel experience. Thanks for joining me on this solo travel adventure. If you have any solo travel tips or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to check out more of my travel-related videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.